Hello everyone, I am Eva and welcome back to Miss Eva Craft YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make a new Gmail ID in mobile phone. So if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so kindly subscribe it now for more such videos. Kindly press the bell icon to get my latest updates. So without wasting any further time, let's start making a new Gmail ID.
Firstly, open Gmail application. Then do what shown in the video. Press on Google option. Wait for some time. Click on Create Account option given below. Write your first and last name. Enter your birthday and gender. After adding birthday and gender, pick a Gmail address or create your own. Enter your password. You can read this information or scroll down the information and then tap in Yes, I am in. Again, scroll down the information after reading and then tap the option of I agree. Open Gmail application and do what shown in the video. Your Gmail account is created.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so kindly give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Kindly press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you. I will meet you with my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.